If you are someone who don't know anything about the M.Pharmacy Web Options or the process after the Web Options, then this video is completely for you, because in this video I will discuss everything about the TG PGECET M.Pharmacy and M.Pharmacy like Web Options, then what are the process after that, and each and everything in detail. So watch this video till end and let's start the video. So what you will be seeing in this video, in the entire video, so I will break down here. See, first one is Web Options, schedule and timeline, then how to categorize colleges, and the top 10 M.Pharmacy colleges. I have picked some top 10 colleges for you, so I will also discuss that in this video. And then step by step Web Options entry process, and what are the common mistakes that you should avoid, and pro tips. So the critical Web Options timeline here is, see, first one is Web Options entry opens from 20th August and it closes on 22nd August at 11:59 p.m. So tomorrow the entire like 18th and 19th you will like close the certificate verification process and you will get the eligibility like list, and if you are eligible then you need to keep the Web Options from 20th. And then before you start your Web Options, what are the things that you should like which are so important, you should checklist that is your hall ticket and rank card. You should keep that ready, because you need to cross check that whether you are keeping the Web Options in the correct account or not. And then know your rank and category. See, there are different types of categories. It may be OC, BC, SC, ST, EWS and so on. And then check previous year cutoff on the official website, but sorry, right now the official website doesn't list any of the cutoffs, so you can like keep that approximately, you cannot keep that accurately. And if we speak about like the seat metrics, how many seats per college and branch, if you know this, then you can keep accordingly as per your rank. And see, college fees, if you are someone who is having some financial crisis, then you should keep according to your budget, so you should also plan this. And check the placements and infrastructure, make informed choice. For example, if you are someone who is going to study M.Pharmacy or anything related to medical, then you should also focus on the laboratory and the like infrastructure, because that also plays an important role, because you need to do everything practically in the lab. And verify specializations available, different college offer different specializations. Right, done. Now categorizing colleges, dream versus realistic versus safe. See, in your Web Options you should contains at least 3 types of colleges, like not 3 types, that is 3 stages of colleges. First one is dream colleges. In these dream colleges, what you should think, what are dream colleges. For example, your rank is X, so for the X slightly above your rank, around, if your rank is around 5000, then go for the colleges whose cutoff is around 2000 3000, because if the cutoff trend changes then you can also get there. And then top placements, premium infrastructure and acceptance is 30 to 40%. So these come under dream colleges as per your rank. And realistic colleges, now here realistic colleges within your rank range, that is around, if your rank is 5000, then 4800 4900 or around for like 5000. And then good placements, see, they should also have good placements, decent faculty. And see, as the list is about the realistic colleges, then the acceptance level becomes to 70 to 80%. Now safe colleges, here well below your rank, like if your rank is 5000, these colleges cutoff is around 10,000 or 11 12,000, and here you can guarantee get a seat. That means if you didn't get any of the seat here in the 2 category, then like absolutely 100% you'll get here. So these should be like your backup option. Now coming to building your college list, see the golden formula: 40% dream colleges, like aim high but realistic aspirations, and then 40% realistic colleges, that is the like the area where your rank absolutely fits, and 20% safe colleges, like if you don't get any of these colleges, then you can like easily get there. More options is equal to better chances. Aim for 40 to 50 options minimum. See, as this is pharmacy, you can go for 25 30. And then research sources, you can go to the official website. Then for cutoffs and placements, you can visit College Dunya or career360.com. Here you have the entire brochure. And then fee structure, see, you can only trust the official website, so don't see any website that you will see first. So always cross check with the official website and the official college websites. Now the top 10 M.Pharmacy colleges in Telangana. First one is Usmania University College of Pharmacy, which is a government college, and next is Kakatiya University College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, which is also a government college located in Warangal. Then comes JNTUH Institute of Science and Technology. It is also a government institute in Hyderabad. Then comes Anurag University. It is a top tier private college. And then Vishnu Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. This is a private college located in Narsapur. Now coming to 6th, we have Sri Venkateshwara College of Pharmacy. It is also a private college located in Hyderabad. Then at 7th, we have Deccan School of Pharmacy. It's also a private. Then coming to 8th, we have Sultanul Ulum College of Pharmacy. These come under a minority status. So if you are someone from Muslim or Christian, then if you have a fixed or tight schedule, then you can target this. And on 9th, we have Samsruti College of Pharmacy located in Hyderabad, and it's also a private institution. And at 10th, we have Avanti Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. This is also a private institute in Hyderabad. Now let's discuss the M.Pharmacy specializations. So in M.Pharmacy also there are some specializations where you can try other than the core. So first one, we have pharmaceutics, product development, formulation, and also in pharmaceutical analysis we have quality control and testing. In pharmacology we have drug actions and clinical research, and in pharmaceutical chemistry we have drug synthesis and design. So there is an important note, different colleges offer different specializations. Check which specializations are available at your own targeted college. So there is not a single rule that each college will have all these types of specializations. So some colleges may have one, some colleges may have two, some colleges may don't have any of them. So you can prepare a list as per the availability in the college. Now coming to the actual web options process. See step number 1, login and verification, how you can log in and verify yourself. So during the web options window, you should visit the official website, then log in with your hall ticket number, rank, date of birth, and also a captcha, and verify all your personal category and academic details. Then check your rank, category status, and seat eligibility. If any detail is wrong, contact help desk immediately and make that correction happen. So it will be like a all the colleges will be listed at the center, and at the top right and left all these details will be there, so cross check them. Now coming to the step number 2, search and add colleges. See, you can either search by college name or college code, but most of them should always try with the college code. College name doesn't apply in some cases. Now select available specialization at that college. For example, if you are someone who wants to try in Usmania, you can enter OU. Then after all the like branches that are offered by OU will come here. Then you can write down your preferences and save them in the web options. So at many colleges, like in many colleges and more options, then better chances. These can increase the getting of seat in your preferences. Now coming to step number 3, arrange your options by priority. See, if you are someone even with a rank of 10, 11, 12, 13 or 15 in single digits also, keep the web options in keep the web options list in priority order, not in a random order. So because it's a automated work which is done by the computer, so if you keep in your priority wise, then you will get the seat allotment in that order. So it will not see that if your rank is 10, 20, 30, it will always follow the pattern and algorithm. In that scenarios you will get a seat. So in step number 4, how to lock your options. See, final and most important step, review entire list once more. No editing after the lock. So after the 22nd August you cannot do anything rather than just seeing. So after 5 to 10 options, click the save option and then go for further options. Now after completing, you can print your saved option so that you can cross check after getting the final allotment, and then you can also download the confirmation slip. See, I suggest you to log your entire web options on 21st or 22nd August. If you're completing on 21st, then at night at any time, but on 22nd do that as soon as possible in the morning itself. Now what are the things that you must do? First one is add 40 to 50 options to maximize seat chances, and then verify all personal data, because once you get, you cannot do anything with the wrong details. Then research colleges thoroughly before adding. So once you research the college, write down in that list, then keep in the web options, and then check previous year cutoff for reference, so that your rank will get a good college as per your preference and priority. And then lock at least 6 to 12 hours before the deadline, and as I said, you should save the option that you kept. Now what are the mistakes that you should avoid? See, don't add too few options, minimum 40 to 50, no, that's not recommended. So like the maximum you need to do is 40-45, but don't go for 10, 12, 15. And don't arrange by cutoff, arrange by your preference. Even if your rank is like suitable for that college cutoff, if you are not interested in that college, don't skip. You can just keep the colleges which like you like and where you want to study. Don't leave in only 1-2 safe options. You can add minimum 10 to 15 safe options, so that even if you don't get in the top colleges, you can end up getting there. So these are the all simple things that you all know. So here, what are the common mistakes and solution that you can do? Mistake number 1, adding too few options. No, you should add at least 40 to 50. And then mistake number 2, waiting until last minute. No, I suggest you, see, this is the old schedule, that's the reason it's August 5th, but it's August 20 to 22. So log by August 22nd in the morning. And mistake number 3, 1-2 safe options. No, I will suggest to add around 5 to 7 safe options as backups. And mistake number 4, forgetting to lock options. Always click lock and don't just save. So after completing entire options, you need to lock them also, or after 22nd to 11:59 p.m. it will automatically get freeze. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any other doubt, you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.